Globalization is one of those concepts that really will help us in our everyday life. One thing we have to always realize with globalization, all the cultures are taking a small piece from another culture. Some of the concepts that we will discuss in this course are the bottom billion, Bretton Woods system, regional and global structures. And sometimes those structures, one decision from a regional structure could have an effect on different countries. Let's say you want to open a branch in a new country. You have to understand what localization is. How can you appeal to the new market? Sometimes something that could work in one culture might not work in another culture. That's why we have different concepts like localization. One example could be McDonald's. When they came to the Arab region, they did Mecca Arabia. Perfumes in the Middle East region, they focus on the oud smell. These are all concepts that could benefit you in your everyday life, because if you want to start your own business, if you want to run a company successfully, you have to understand the global markets. And globalization is something that is ever changing. Even management styles are changing. You hear about management, the flat management instead of a hierarchy. You hear about open door policies. And these are all flows that came from one region to another. And this is just a small example of what this course can provide for you.